Welcome back everybody to Stonk Investor. This video is going to be about 4 must-have apps on your phone. If you're in stocks, if you're trading, if you're day trading, these are 4 stocks that I think everybody should have, to stay up to date with everything that's going on, to stay up to date. So before we continue, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. My number 1 app is StockTwits. StockTwits, basically there, it lets you know about what people are watching, what keeps you up to date. You can check what people are writing about certain stocks. If people are, let's say for the company, for the SEC filings, people basically, share information there, and that's a good platform, that I like to follow, to see, what's, see like when SafeMoon was popping up, when Dogecoin, on that one, I made a quick swing trade. I bought in and got like a 200%. So on Dogecoin, that's what I did. But if you're for the long term in Dogecoin, everybody has their game plan. But like that's whenever I like to make swing trades. I like to look at that, see what's popping, so I can stay up to date and, catch the trend as it goes up. And my second one is Discord. On that one, that app's good, that's, I follow like Dumb Money, Meet Kevin, that they have Discord, and it's a lot of investors. And sometimes you'll see their thesis, some people will put up their thesis of certain companies. You can read through the messages, basically the same thing, and you can check, see what people are talking about. And Reddit, it's good, for people that are like in GameStop, AMC, meme stocks, so, if you like to be in Reddit, once you go on Reddit, go to Wall Street Bets, people over there, they have a high conviction on certain stocks, just pretty much get a feel, see what people are talking about, and that's a good way of finding a swing trade, or but those are pretty much kind of like short-term trades. Also, earnings call, that one's a good app. Get insights, about companies, see what they're talking about, what's their future plans. I can give you an example, I guess. Let's say like Valero, I was listening to the earnings call, and they would say they were concentrating on thicker oil, So, the way I'm thinking, I'm trying to go about it. Let's say if a company starts talking about, let's say they're going to focus more on that thicker oil. So who's going to benefit out of those? Which companies, like let's say SM or Laredo Energy, or Chesapeake, who's carrying that thicker oil, which is going to benefit, to stay ahead of the curve. So basically that's what I'm doing, and see what they're investing in, and it can help out. Let's say if a company's going to invest big money in a certain area. For example, Elon Musk, he's talking about investing more in Boca Chica, that place. So how I would think about it is, hey, if I can buy some real estate there, buy some homes, when the people from California start coming in, the houses are automatically going to go up, around that area, around SpaceX. The same thing as the same thing that's happening in Austin. Let's say in Austin, if you catch that wave early enough, people start flooding in, and there's a lot of demand and not enough homes. Like in Austin, the prices shot way up. So yeah, and that's earnings call. So like always, like and subscribe. And thanks for coming back, and hope to see you next time.